What's good, and welcome back to Investing with Jax. If you get any value out of this video, please smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new. So we're going to go over our sleeper pick Siacoin. It's been a minute since we've gone over Sia. We're up almost 17% on the day. Nice little pump here for Siacoin, currently sitting at 0.012. The market cap is sitting at 589 million, and the 24-hour volume is 43 million. I'm just going to close my window, guys. It's pretty hot. It's pretty hot today, but I don't want it to be too noisy with these cars going by. Hey guys, if you're new to crypto.com, you can join through my referral link and receive $25. Fastest growing crypto app. Many rewards here. So let's get into Siacoin. So we're going to start here on the weekly chart. Now Siacoin was hit pretty hard with this massive correctly, basically 90% for Siacoin. With this huge correction with the market. Now we're underneath the 55 EMA, which is bearish, guys. So you want to see us get back above the 55 and especially the 20 EMA here. Now, if this is our true bottom, it's not promised. But if this were to be our true bottom, I've given some future price targets based off the Fibonacci. The 1.272 is at the 11 cents, the 1.414 is at 14 cents, and the 1.618 is at 22 cents. And if we see this bull run continue, which I believe it will, I do believe Sia will reach that 22% target, and that's a gain of 1,700%, guys. So nothing to complain about there for Sia. So let's jump into the hourly chart. So I've drawn this ascending triangle. Now we had this symmetrical triangle that I had drawn previously. We had a bit of a fake out. This is a trader's worst nightmares when you have these fake outs here. And then we came down and we broke down. And if you measure the body of our triangle here, you can see the price was perfectly met. See that? Price target was perfectly met at 0.007. That was a massive short of about 52%. The thing with trading, and especially with shorting, is it will fall out and then it will come back up and you're like sweating right here, just sweating like, oh no, and then it rolls. All right, guys, it's probably not that important, but so I've drawn out this ascending triangle. So keep an eye on a breakout here for Siacoin. If you see it start to break above and back test it as support, that's a strong sign of continuation, and your target here is 0.016, and then if you hit resistance, you come down and you break down, you back test it as I could use this, you back test it as resistance, you come out, you back test it as resistance, your breakdown target is, let me drop that in, 0.007, and that would create a new low here for Sia. So keep an eye on that as well. We are seeing a little bit of breakout above this trend line of resistance here, but I wouldn't count that as confirmation just yet. We are back above the EMAs here on the hourly. Actually, let's take out our fib. You know me, I love to use our Fibonacci. So we pull it from the swing high down to the swing low. Let's open it up so it's more visible for you guys here. So we are back above the 0.786, which is a good sign. Gives you a sign of continuation here, up to the 1.272 extension, which is at 0.012. Now, guys, I would like to see an increase in volume here. We are in a downtrend, so you always have to pay attention to the trend. The trend is your friend, and when you're in a downtrend, you have to be careful with your breakout scenarios, because in many cases, you'll hit a level of resistance. Like here's your breakout target from your ascending triangle, but of course there's so much resistance on the way, you'd have to break through all the Fibonacci levels. You can drop in, like I could drop in this level here at 0.013. You can see right here would be some resistance. If we scroll back, we'll see some support in this area. The 1.618 could drop this in as well, where you would find resistance. 0.013, you see some support in this area. So as a trader, I wouldn't wait for us to get all the way up to our breakout target. If we started to hit resistance on these levels, I would take profits. I probably wouldn't close my whole position unless I saw a sign of a reversal in the trend, but it's always good to take profits on the way up to your technical targets, because sometimes you don't make it all the way up to those targets. Usually it's around like a 65 to 75% chance of reaching your technical target when you have a breakout. So it's always important to keep your eyes on levels of resistance. So let's pop it open to the 4-hour chart and I'll show you guys what I can see here. So we are coming back above the EMAs here, which is a bullish signal. We're finding support here on the 55. So really your key level that you need to watch right now for Sia is that 0.0121. You break above that, you're back to the support, then that's when you can see that continuation. Now if we were to continue to hit resistance and we do roll, I'll drop some levels of support here for you guys. Could drop this one in at 0.010, this one as well. I can see support in this area, 0.01000. And if we were to reverse the trend, if we fell out here, we may not come all the way down to our technical target. We could just come down to create a double bottom. You see where our green wick came down here at 0.007. So that's your level you want to watch right now, 0.012. You break above, back test the support. That's your sign of continuation to the upside. But if you do come down and start back testing this as resistance, then you will see that breakdown target here. Of course, you have to keep an eye on your master energy Bitcoin. I'll quickly pop it open. So we still need to see Bitcoin break that rising wedge, which is at about 35,542, if we're going to see some continuation to the upside. So keep an eye on Bitcoin as always. All right, guys. So that's it for Siacoin. We are seeing a little bit of breakout above, but I would like to see more confirmation, a few candles come out and be above this ascending triangle here to give some confirmation of a breakout. So that's it for this one. If you got any value, it goes a long way if you smash that like button. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter. You can check out the Discord, Patreon link in the bio. Over 1,000 members talking all things crypto. And I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.